Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a penny stock where Nomura Singapore Limited has bought 16,99,000 shares at Rs 18.50 on the Bombay Stock Exchange. They also bought 10,54,239 shares on the NSE at Rs 90. Now Nomura is one of the largest financial institutions worldwide and their entry into the stock makes it worth tracking. However, it being a penny stock, it's better to err on the side of caution. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button to get updated whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Cerebra Integrated Technologies Limited, which is available at Rs 21.60 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is CEREBRAINT. Now Cerebra Integrated Technologies Limited is an India-based services provider and the company is engaged in the wholesale of computers, computer peripheral equipment and software, manufacture of desktop computers, laptop computers, handheld computers, mainframe computers and computer servers, and also computer consultancy and computer facilities management services. Now looking at the 1 year chart, this company has not really done anything and the investors here have received almost no returns. The market cap of the company is 261.76 crores, which means that this company is a borderline stock between a micro cap and a small cap. The company is not yet profitable and hence the EPS and price to earnings ratio are not applicable here. The industry PE here is 27.68. The book value of 22.64 translates into a price to book ratio of 0.95, which is not wildly expensive. The company did not pay out any dividends on account of it not making any profits, whereas the promoter holding is an abysmal figure at 7.1%. None of the promoters holding is pledged. Now friends, this could well be a trading bet and not many factors about this company look investment grade. Please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.